another game. I'm gonna do a review on it. This one's called Mega Marble Run Pit. Ignore this. This is, oh wait, no. This is an original game. They made a new game, but yeah, I'm just gonna be, playing, or no, reviewing this game. And it's by at Sean Michael on Roblox. It's for all ages, by the way. So also go check out this game. It's a new version of this, but yes, I'm just gonna be playing this one. I'll see you inside the game. Okay, I'm inside of the game, and so far, obviously, so far, it looks okay. Yeah, there's a shop here. There's a Roblox logo. Everything's studs, I think. I don't know. Everything's cool. There's a little thing here. I don't know what that is. There's a new game. Oh, yeah, that's a new game that they made as a chill area. Whoa, what is that? Oh wait, there's couches up here. It's pretty cool. But what is this? Oh my god, you got buttons to new tracks. That's pretty cool. You got a shop. I think I already said that, but yeah, I'm gonna check out. That's okay. I'm gonna check out all the tracks first, and then I'm gonna check out the other stuff. So let's start with the basic red. Okay, so this is the red track. It teleports you over here. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna start right in the middle. Whoa! I'm inside a marble! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whee! Oh my god! Whoopee! Woo! This is so cool! Whoa! I am inside of a marble. I already said that though, but this is so cool. Okay, drop down here. Whoopee! Whoa! And then come over here in the tracks. Whoa! So cool! Whoopee! Wow! Okay, I'm gonna go down here. Takes a little time because it's a little spinny thing. Okay, drop down here and whoa! Okay, hit that and then come down here. Okay, this is good so far. Whoopee! Just bobbing up and down. Whoa, I'm gonna go fast. Okay, then come over here. And then into here. And then, oh! Whoa! This is so cool! Oh my god! Just spinning around in a marble track. This game's so fun. There's like a whole lot more. But I gotta focus on this one right now because, you know, this is the one I'm on. Whoa! And I come down here. Whoa! Oh my god, this place is huge! This one is massive! Whoa! Woof! Whoa! And poof! Ah! And then I spin around. Oh! Oh no! Oh, this might take a while actually, so... How do I get out of the marble? Do I just press space? What does that do? I don't know. I'm gonna reset because it's taking a little while to, you know. Here. Touch me to go to spawn area. Oh! Oh, that must be what that's for. Ah, I see. Okay, so I did the red one. That was cool. What about... Well, I just saw someone go into there. I think it's this one. Let me go to this one. Ooh, it's cool. Right here. Right at the start. Ooh, bobbing up and down. Ooh, this is cool. Oh. Whoa, whoa. Oh, going pretty fast. And then into this, what? I don't know what these are called, but it's a board thing. I do know, but I just forgot. Yeah, this is really cool. There you go to here. And then what is this? Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa, this is so cool! Ow! And hitting everywhere. hitting. I'm gonna get hit everywhere. Oh, this is super cool. Oh, how do they even make this? And then you drop down into another spirally thing. Actually, like, how did they even make this thing? It's just really cool. Okay, then drop down into this track, and then you weave all your way. Whoa, look at that person. And, why just go right there? Okay, then I go through a track here, and then, oof, boom. I get hit, and then, then I come to another droppy area, and then I get drops down here. And then I come through here. How did that person change their marble? And that person's yellow. How did that person get that? I don't know, but this is taking a little while, so what happens? How do you get out the marble? Oh, I see. This thing just makes it disappear. Okay, yeah, but how'd they change the marble? And yeah, I spawned there. What is this? Oh, it's a badge. Okay, but that's cool. Oh, change marble over here. Marble types, description. Normal marble, shiny marble, sparkle, fire, toxic, noob head. Oh, that must have been the yellow one. Emerald eye, stone, snowball, diamond plated wood, pumpkin kings. I think that was the orange one. Okay, but I'm gonna go see what the shop is all about. Okay, I have 4 credits, and there's a little fish here, some more couches, fireflies, punk bracelet, Game Boy, Bloxy Cola, Witch's Brew, Cheeseburger, Cookie. I want a Cheeseburger. Oh, wait. I thought, it says cheeseburger. I thought it said Cheeseburger. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go green. It's this one over here. Oh, you dropped down really far. Oh, I'm gonna go right here. Then I drop down. Wah! And oh my god, I'm going so fast. Ah! Oh my god. Dude, whoa. Huh. Whoa, that was really fast. Whoa. And then another thing. Oh my god. Oh, I bounced out. Oh no. No. Help. Oh no, I'm stuck. How do I get out? I guess I have to just reset. And now I'm just being squished in here. Okay, let's try that again. Because that was just, I don't know what that was. Maybe from the middle again. Woo! And then you come here, and then you go, wow! Woo! You go up here, and you go, wow! Okay. Now I go over there. Oof! Oh, yes! Okay. Okay, now I go down here, in this track, and then this thing will just me back up the track. I'm sure it's fine, but yeah, then you come down on this thing, and then, boing, ow, I'm getting hit a lot. Like that. It's making me getting hit a lot. Oh. Oh, I'm going down here, little spinny thing. Ow. Oh, is that the yellow thing that I saw? Oh no, that's it over there. And then I come here. Oh, I almost went up there. Oh, that's happened. Okay. Another 3 swirly things. Damn. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, this is the biggest one yet, I think. Ah! Oof. Oh, I was supposed to go in there, but it missed. Oh well. Oh, ow. It's fun, out of control. Okay, this game is awesome. I have 12 credits. See if I can get something in the shop. Okay. What can I get? I can get a cheeseburger. I want a cheeseburger.
Can I have cheeseburger, please? Cheeseburgers.
Yummy.
Cheeseburgers.
Yummy.
Cheeseburgers.
Yummy in my tummy. I think the yellow one is the spiral thing. Yeah, it is. Okay. Right here. Oh right, I completely forgot about the change marble thing. But let's just eat this. Ooh! Oh my god! Ah! It's going so fast. I think I'm gonna fall out sometime. Going so fast I might fall out. Okay. Oh, it joins up in the track. Another track joins up. What is that? What is that? Whoa! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna be stuck here for ages, and if I don't reset. What is that? I'm gonna reset now because it's gonna take too long. Okay, but this game is really fun. Okay, I'm done. Red, blue, I think it's called cyan. See, red, cyan, yellow, green, anything else? I don't know. I think those are the only thing I've done. I'm gonna go this one, pink, or purple, according to this thing. Okay, click me to play. Oh, going over the red track. Um. Oh, ah! Whoopee! Oh, I went over the thing. Oh no! Ah! Oh, this is bad. I wasn't supposed to do that. Ah, it's gonna take too long. So that was fun. Went right by it. Wait, what? Okay, let's try that again. Maybe, hopefully not, you know, and get launched off the track this time. I got launched off the track again. Ah, what the hell is going on? Oh wait, is that the plan? Oh wait, that might be the plan for it. Oh, I get it. But I'm gonna have a close look at it. I'm gonna go over to it again. Gonna have a close look. Oh wait, it's not the plan. Oh no. That was not the plan. But we go too fast, so then it launches you off the track. That's a bummer. So, which one do I go on to now? I'm gonna try again, because, you know, I just want to. Oh, buddy, you're gonna get launched. And then, see, he gets launched. And I'm gonna get launched. Oh no! Ah! This is so crazy. And boinged or bonged all everywhere. Oof. Okay, there's no help for that one. You're just always gonna fly off the track. Unless they put like a thing. Oh, ignore the ad. I don't own this one. I don't own it. All credits go to whoever owns it. Try not to get copyrighted. Which one now? So this one's broken. I'm gonna go to this one. Brown. Right here. Okay. Go down. And ow. And wee. Down the track. Down whoopee. Boing. Oof. Ow. Then down here. And then Down here. Ow. Ouchies. Oof. Ow. Okay, then you go down here. Ow. And then then it just rams you off. Oh god. Ah! Oh, right over the thing. Right over it. Oh god. Oh. Okay, this is gonna take way too long. This is so cool. And I just slide my head back down. Okay. Oh, right, yeah. The white one? White greenie? I don't know. I don't know which one this is. Click me to play. So where does this go? On. Oh my god! Oh no! Ah! Ah! Oh no! I fell! Ah! Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Oh! I think you're supposed to make me go into the red one. I think. Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to go to the red track. I'm gonna take a bite of my cheeseburger.
Cheeseburgers.
Okay, the next pink one.
Cheeseburgers.
Oh, this one's here. Okay. Click me to play. Whoopee. Oh. Oof. Oh no! Ah! Oof. Ooh. Ow. Ooh. I'm spinning. I'm a tornado. Wow, 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 wow. I'm a tornado. Move out the way before I destroy you. I'm spinning. I'm a sideways tornado. Okay. I keep forgetting about the change marble. I'm gonna do that. Change marble to fire marble. That seems cool. Okay, that one's not good because that just made me fly off again. How about this one? This isn't green, this is purple. Why does it say it's green? It's not. Whoa, I'm on fire! Oh no! Ah! This is epic. I'm on fire, which is, I don't know if that's epic or not. It's only epic when it doesn't hurt. And doesn't, melt your skin. But, oh, I see. It's a combination of purple and green. Oh no! And it's a combination of falling as well. Wow! Okay. I think I'm just gonna get right out of this one. Okay. Whoopee. I have 6 credits. Okay, orange. What the hell? I'm green fire now. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, it changes colors depending on what color your marble was. Oh, hey, we passed. No, wait, we didn't. I almost passed by it. It just made me fall off, though. Just whee. Going through here. Down. Orange. Oh. Okay. Oh no, I fell off again. Into the green track. Oh no, oh my god. I fell off right into the green track. That's a surprise. I haven't really thought out this game well. I keep falling off the tracks. That's gonna deduct a point from the review because it keeps making me fall out. And I went into the green track, which is cool, but I think I'm supposed to continue going on. That's how most of the tracks are. And oh, wait, what the hell? Oh no! Ow! And I just grind my face down. Okay, so that's the orange one. There's one more, which is this one. Okay, Pick me to play. Last one. No, purple. Purple's a good color. Oh, I like purple. So hopefully this one's gonna be good. Ooh, boing. Oof. Ow. Oh, no, no, no. Aw. Well, since I only have a little bit of minutes left, I'm gonna retry some of the tracks that I fell on. Which is what I'm gonna do now. Bye-bye, or leg, whatever fell. This one I'm gonna retry. If it doesn't work yet again, then I'm gonna stop doing this one. Maybe I'll have a different result this time. Please? No! Ah!
Can I have cheeseburger? Cheeseburger.
I guess I need my cheeseburger then.
Cheeseburger.
And then reset. And now my head's become a marble. Ah! Okay. So I fell on this one, which I don't think there's any stopping that. This one. Oh, no. Oh, right, yeah. I thought it was that one. But, yeah, nah. Oh. It's like these, things are intended. Ah! Move out the way. So, that's cool. Maybe what about, Emerald Eye Marble? Okay, this one I'm pretty sure is that one. Yeah. Oh. Whoa! What's eye? I'm a human eye. Ew. This looks weird. Oof. Ah! No! Ah! What the hell? Ah! Well, yeah, how much credits do I have? I can't tell. Can't tell how much credits I have because there's a recording icon. Well, I'm gonna get a boxy collar if I can. I can! Oh, I have 13 left? Okay, but that's gonna be at the end of my review. There's different it's pretty cool. I mean, you can buy some stuff, and it looks cool. Looks a little bit cool. And come up here. There's something here. Oh, it's a slide. Woo! That's cool. But yeah. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 because it looks pretty cool. They've given a little bit of effort into it, I think. No, they've given a lot of effort into it actually. But you keep falling out of most of the tracks. I mean, you can change your marble, but you keep falling out of most of the tracks. Actually, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. It's okay. But, you know, yeah, just not really good. You can buy food and stuff, which is awesome.
Can I have cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Yummy. Boxy cola. Yeah, you can just chill up there. Yeah, but, yeah, 6 out of 10. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.